Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. Every year, 5th June is celebrated as World Environment Day. The sole purpose is to create awareness among people to save environment. Every year, a new theme is assigned by United Nations, and for this year 2021, the theme is Restoration Ecosystem. My dear students, it's not always important to do something big and great. Your one small act of kindness can also create wonder. So my few humble suggestions were to have some natural plants at home and to take care of it, to keep some water outside of your house for birds, or if you want, you can make some bird feeders too. Saving environment is in our hands, and don't you think that the environment has given so much to us? Now it's our sheer responsibility and duty to keep it safe and to keep it clean. Always remember, better environment, better life, and a better tomorrow. Thank you so much.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. Be ready for pledge. First raise your right hand. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, friends, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
आती है दुआवन बन के तमन्ना मेरी जिंदगी शम्मा की ओ खुदाया मेरी लबे आती है दुआवन बन के तमन्ना मेरी वो मेरे दम से ही मेरे वतन की जीनत जिस तरह फूल से होती है चमन चमन की जीनत जिंदगी हो मेरे परवाने की सूरत या रब की शम्मा से हो मुझको मोहब्बत यार मेरा काम गरीबों की हिमायत करना दर्दमंदों को ज़ईफ़ों से मोहब्बत करना लपे आती है दुआवन बन के तमन्ना Thank you. Have a nice day.
Environment is no one's property to destroy. It's everyone's duty to protect. On behalf of our class 2Q, our class teacher Mrs. Leena Reggie and Hindi teacher Mrs. Talat, I Ojo Jawar wish you all a very pleasant day. We started our assembly with Surat recited from the Holy Quran by Rishan Jafar and school song by Azam Nazar. Pledge Deal to You by Mohammad Rehan. Thank you, Mohammad Rehan. Every school has a vision. Even so, let's hear School Vision by Mohammad Hasnan.
Mission of our school, International Indian School Jubail, aims to be an institution of excellence dedicated to producing human beings and respectable global citizens. We serve to make humanity live. Thank you.
Thank you, Mohammed. To continue our assembly, let's have thought of the day by Rehan Ahmed.
Good afternoon, ma'am and my dear friend. My third of day celebration of World Environment Day term with a promise to save environment and the world. Happy Environment Day.
Thank you, Rehan. On this special occasion, I invite Shoaib City to give a speech.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Joy Peri from Second Q. Today I am telling about the Environment Day. June 5 was Environment Day. Environment means land, water, and air around us. Environment means the soil, rivers, and air belongs to all living plants and animals. So we should not cut trees, but plant more trees. We should never throw wasted land or water bodies. Keep our roads and rivers clean. We should reduce, and recycle waste. Prevent pollution and save the environment. Thank you.
Thank you, Shoaib. Let us invite Fahim for a Hindi speech. भूमि धरती भूधरा तेरे हैं ये कितने नाम तू थी रंग रंगी फल फूलों से भरी भरी तूने हम पर उपकार किया हमने बदले में क्या दिया तुझसे तेरा रूप हसीना तुझसे तेरे रंग हसीने पर अब मानव है जाग गया हमने तुझसे ये वादा किया अपना जंगल काटेंगे नदियों को साफ रखेंगे लौटा देंगे तेरे रंग रूप चाहे हो कितनी बारिश और धूप धन्यवाद Thank you, Fahim. I invite Fazeen for Saudi National Anthem. Let us invite Madesh for Indian National Anthem. Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkal Banga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchala Jala Kitaranga Tava Shubha Ana Me Jage Tava शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Happy Environment Day to all. Assembly dispersed. Thank you.